Hey, for those that overdid it at Super Bowl and took that Monday off, you probably should just go ahead and call in today because it's a powder day. Keystone is reporting 15 inches, A-Basin and Loveland got 14, Vale got 11, and Breckenridge came in at 10. Get out there if you can. Hey, what's up everyone? Fred here with Uller Provides. This is your Weekend Warrior wrap-up. As predicted, the snow this weekend was great, but that wind was sure ripping from time to time. On Saturday, many of the high lifts closed and as a result, pushed even more crowds down to those already congested main lifts. Sunday was awesome. Even though the report was super thin, it was super soft given the snow had piled up throughout the storm. Pair this with hardly anyone out there on the mountain, and it was sheer bliss. We were well into 10,000 vertical just by noon. Traffic was almost as predicted, with Saturday being our trouble area. What we didn't expect was the Loveland Pass closing, which caused the more traffic to be piled up as the HVAC teams had to go through every 30 minutes. Sunday drive back had a few hiccups, but those cleared up by the time Selfie Kid and JT were done hanging out. For those of us that left after halftime, it was smooth sailing getting back home. Our friends at Rocky Mountain Ski and Board Tunes will be at Little Machine Brewing for waxing in a onesie Wednesday, and later in the week at Platt Park Brewing for Flashy Friday. Be sure to be on the lookout for Retro Colorado and other local celebrities at both events. While I know it'll be hard to forego the brush with fame, but if you have a driver's license with either an Evergreen or Idaho Springs address, head up to Echo's local appreciation party on Wednesday. Flash that card and get a free lift ticket. Thursday is the Snowball at Sonita Brewing in Boulder. This is a benefit event packed full of great sponsors with proceeds going to the Snow School, which teaches 30,000 kids a year about snow and watershed. If this is not enough for you, then join up with us at Functionware for a factory tour and learn how they convert ordinary plastic water bottles into your neck tubes. Not only are they environmentally conscious, they are also socially conscious as they donate some of their proceeds to High Fives. This organization is dedicated to those that have been injured in the sport and continue to help them throughout their recovery. Midday Friday, we'll be dropping a fresh track on our blog, tying yoga and snowboarding together. Our yogi slash snowboarding slash Everest base clamp mountaineering friend, Lachelle Amos, is helping us out with all the deets. Keep an eye out for it. Later that evening, grab some friends, fall into Olympic Open celebration viewing party. We'll post a few options in our Facebook feed, so stay tuned. Whew! What a week coming up. Looking forward to next weekend. Joel and the Open Snow team have a long-range forecast, a little dry and light throughout the rest of the week. There are some chances he's keeping an eye on, but it'll require some real interesting storm track changes. Traffic is likely to return to our normal pattern, so expect Friday weekend warrior traffic, heavy volume on Saturday, and then the Sunday rush hour from 3 to 6, 7, 8. We'll update as we get this closer. If you made it up today, I am super jealous. Enjoy the rest of the week. Until next time, pray for snow and celebrate when Uller provides.